Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device and after that open the charging case. If your earbuds have no connections with other devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light inside, like not here, okay, inside the charging case, start flashing like what I have right now. And you will also see it at the device list. You need to hold it for at least 3 seconds. Now tap on it and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!